Hi students, today in this class we are going to discuss about D block electronic configuration. Already you heard learn basic electronic configuration in 11th standard. Anyway, I to recall the electronic configuration in this class, so listen carefully. Learning objectivities. Define electron configuration 1. Second one, discuss the rule in writing electron configuration. Third one, write the full and abbreviated electron configuration of the elements from any period of the periodic table. Fourth one, illustrate the orbital diagram for each atom based on the electron configuration. The electron configuration according to Hoffa principle and Hund's rule. First of all, what is mean by electron configuration? The distribution of electron into different cells, subcell and orbital of an atom is called as electron configuration. How do you work out electron configuration? Electron occupy energy levels. Energy level have orbital s, p, d and f. Number of subcell have each orbital s equal to 1, p is equal to 3, d is equal to 5, f is equal to 7. Each subcell maximum capacity 2 electron. Each orbital contain maximum electron s equal to 2, p is equal to 6, d is equal to 10, f is equal to 14. Hoffa principle. The word Hoffa in German means building up. The building up of orbital means the filling of orbitals with electron. The principle states, in the ground state of atom, the orbitals are filled in order of their increasing energy. In other words, electron first occupy the lowest energy orbital available to them and enter into higher energy orbital only after the lower energy orbital are filled. The energy of the orbital increasing and hence the order in which the orbital are filled is as follows: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p, done, etc. Order of filling of orbitals: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s, 5p, 5d, 5f, 6s, 6p, 6d, last 7s, 7p. The starting from the top, the direction of arrows gives the order of filling of orbital. Alternatively, the order of increasing the energy of orbitals can be calculated from n plus 1 rule. The first electron enter in 1s electron orbital. The 1s orbital completed, the new electron enter in 2s. Then 2s completed, the new electron enter in 2p. The 2p completed, the new electron enter in 3s. 3p completed, the new electron enter in 3p. 3p completed in new electron enter in 4s. The 4s completed, the new electron enter 3d orbital. The 3d completed, then new electron enter 4p. The 4p completed, the new electron enter in 5s. The 5s completed, the new electron enter in 4d. 4d full completed, the new electron enter in 5p. The 5p completed, new electron enter in 5s. 6s. The 6s completed in new electron enter in 4f. The new electron enter in 5d. The 5d completed in new electron enter in 6p. The 6p completed new electron enter in 7s. The 7s completed new electron enter in 5f orbital. The 5f orbital completed, the next new electron enter in 6p. The 6d completed, the next electron enter in 7p. That's all. The electron is completed. Example is scandium, atomic number 21. Full electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d1. Second example, titanium, atomic number 22. Full electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d2. Stability of orbitals according to Hund's rule. Hund's rule. Atoms having half-filled or completely filled orbitals are comparatively more stable, and hence more energy is needed to remove one electron from such atoms. The half-filled and completely filled electron configuration have symmetrical distribution of electron, and this symmetry leads to stability. Moreover, in such a configuration of electron can exchange their position among themselves to maximum extent. This exchange leads to stabilization. For example, half-filled 3d orbital is chromium, atomic number 24, and completely filled orbital in zinc, atomic number 30, are given as follows. Example, chromium 24, full electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. Zinc, atomic number 30, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2. Thus the p3, p6, d5, d10, f7 and f14, the configuration which are either completely filled or exactly half filled, are more stable. Further, it may be noted that chromium and copper have 5 and 10 electrons in 3d orbital rather than 4 and 9 electron respectively as expected. Therefore, occur more stability. One of the 4s electron goes into 3d orbital, so that 3d orbital get half filled or completely filled in chromium and copper respectively. Example, chromium, atomic number 24, expected configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d4, 4s2. Actual configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. The electron exchange from 4s to 3d5. Second one, example, copper, atomic number 29, expected configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d9, 4s2. Actual configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s1. The electron exchange from 4s to 3d. We can abbreviate the electronic configuration further if we use configuration of elements on the far right vertical column of the periodic chart: helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and xenon. For example, the first part of the configuration, zinc, atomic number 30, chromium, atomic number 24 and copper, atomic number 29, matches the configuration argon, atomic number 18. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Example, chromium, full electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d5, 4s1. Then argon 3d5, 4s1. The match the configuration. Zinc, atomic number 30, full electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s2. Stability configuration argon 3d10, 4s2. Copper, atomic number 29, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 3d10, 4s1. The stability configuration argon 3d10, 4s1. Sample problem, determining electron configuration. Problem, using the periodic table give the full and condensed electron configuration. Partial orbital diagram showing valence electron and number of inner shell electron for the following elements. Example, potassium, atomic number 19, molybdenum atomic number 42, lead atomic number 82. Plan. They use the atomic number for the number of electron and hence the periodic table for the order of filling for electron orbital. The condensed configuration consists of preceding noble gas and outer electrons. Solution. Potassium. Full configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1. Condensed configuration argon 4s1. The partial orbital diagram, there are 18 inner electrons. So 1 valence electron. Valence electron present in 4s1. Second example, molybdenum atomic number 42. Full configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s1, 4d5. Condensed configuration krypton 5s1, 4d5. The partial orbital diagram, there are 36 inner electron and 6 valence electron. Then third example, lead atomic number 82. Full configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, 5p6, 6s2, 4f14, 5d10, 6p2. The condensed configuration xenon 6s2, 4f14, 5d10, 6p2. The partial orbital diagram, there are 78 inner electrons and 4 valence electrons. This chart contains atomic number, symbol, electronic configuration of elements from 1 to 112 elements.